In this video, I'll show you how you can get Korean letters in your Roblox username. Now first what you want to do is head over to Roblox, come to your settings right here, scroll down and make sure this is over 18, and you can check your account location. Now usually United States should work for most of them, otherwise you can try and choose Korea. Now if you already have changed once, you need to contact Roblox support and you can just send them a message on the roblox.com/support. Then what you want to do is head over to translate. Let's find Korean and you want to type something. Let's say you want to use this. Actually, it should be 3 letters. So like this and come here. It needs to be at least 3 letters. That's why you need to do that. Then what you can do is, I already changed mine, so I cannot have any name, as you can see, because I changed it recently. But what you do is click here, copy this one, select your name, and then Control V and press save really fast, like this. Just like that. You need to do it super fast. Now obviously mine cannot change, since I already changed it, but this should work for you. Now if it doesn't work the first or second try, just keep trying and eventually it will work. You need to do it super fast. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.